Hello again. Just wanted to do a video on this. This is going to be my next epoxy project. This is an old nightstand that I got from my grandpa after my grandma passed away. This was in one of their spare bedrooms, and he was just trying to get rid of some stuff, and he decided to give me a bedroom set. So this is one of the nightstands. There's two. This one is in worse shape. So what I want to do is I want to redo this top. You can tell that it's particle board. You can see right there. I do have experience repairing particle board, so this shouldn't be a problem. But if worse comes to worse, what I can always do is just remake a new top for it. But I do want to try and salvage these for my daughters, and we'll see how it goes. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to refinish the top, get it all cleaned up and ready for epoxy. Alright, so I got it down to this point right now. It's all flush on the top. So my next step, what I'm going to do is I'm going to seal up all of this exposed particle board, and then I'm going to prime this whole top, just because we don't want the resin to leak into the particle board at all, or else it's going to swell wherever that is. So yeah, so just as a precaution, I'm going to seal these up with a waterproof seal, and then I'm going to give it a light sand, and I'm going to put maybe about 2 coats of primer on there. I haven't decided which primer to go to, what will bring out the color the most, but my color scheme for this right now I'm leaning towards, since it's for my daughters, is going to be white, purple, and pink with the marble effect on the top. But we'll see how it comes out. And then eventually, after I finish the top, I think I'm just going to repaint the bottom and recolor all of this stuff. And then I took the drawer out. This is the drawer, so I was thinking of maybe just doing an epoxy on the top of this too. Take this knob out, and I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to cast a new knob in resin, and maybe put a flower in it, like cast it in clear resin, a flower in clear resin. So that's my plan for now. Yeah, but this is as far as I got. This is going to be a pretty long project. It's probably going to take me about 4 days to do altogether, between letting the coats dry and then getting the resin poured, prepping everything. So yeah, anyways, all right, so this is my progress so far. All right, so I have here the primed and sanded nightstand top. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to start mixing the resins, and I'm just going to get to pouring. I hope this comes out okay. My concern is it's particle board, and particle board does not sit well with liquids, but we'll see how this goes. Hopefully I sealed everything up correctly. And again, I'm not selling this piece or anything. You know, this is going to be for my daughter, so it's kind of experimental for me. Anyways, I'm going to mix up some resin and lay it on here, and we'll see what we get. Alright, so here it is. Not exactly what I had in mind. Like, I wanted a lot more purple, but for some reason the purple just like disappeared into the color scheme altogether. It kind of blended with the pink for some reason. But other than that, I think it came out okay. I think it'll still look nice in their room. Not as kiddish as I was hoping it would come out, but yeah, I think it'll be alright. Anyways, next time you guys see this piece, it'll be completely done. Alright. Alright, so here we are. It's the next day. Rock solid. I am a little disappointed with the way it came out. Like, the cascade kind of came out a little thin. But, I mean, it's okay. I mean, this is for my daughter's room, so I think it'll be okay. But yeah, other than that, there's some paint right there, too, that got stuck in there. But, I mean, it's fine. It's just the oil paint that I was using to color the resin. Eventually, what I want to do is just get some pigments and alcohol ink and try all these different other types of dyes. I was just trying to go with the cheapest way possible. So I think before I do my large piece, I'm going to order some of those. Come up with a color scheme and order those. But other than that, it came out good. I'm happy with it. I'm just a little disappointed with some things. But other than that, I think it came out great. So that's going to be it for today. You guys have a nice day.